In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube with faceless AI channels, even if you're a complete beginner and have never uploaded a video before. This method works because YouTube pays creators based on watch time, engagement, and ads, not on whether you show your face. That means you can build a profitable channel by creating high-quality original videos with AI that viewers actually want to watch. I'll also show you how to create 100% original, monetizable content using AI, and why this approach is one of the easiest ways to start earning on YouTube today. I'll also share what I believe is one of the best AI video generators for building faceless YouTube channels efficiently. Before we begin, there's one important thing to mention. If you'd like to follow along or test this AI tool for yourself, you can use the link in the description to try Pictory for free. This is the same type of tool many faceless YouTube creators use to upload consistently, grow faster, and eventually qualify for YouTube monetization. Let's jump right in. Once you land on the site, click on the Start for Free button and sign in using your Google account to get immediate access. After signing in, you'll be prompted to select why you want to use Pictory. So go ahead and choose the option that best fits creating faceless YouTube videos or long-form content. This is the Pictory.ai dashboard. Along the top, you'll see the main features, but for this tutorial, I'm going to focus primarily on text to video and briefly touch on a couple of other tools. Text to video is essentially the core feature for creating faceless YouTube videos, and once you understand how to use it, creating viral content with AI becomes much easier. Everything connects back to the dashboard, so getting comfortable here will make the whole process smoother. Let's start by clicking on Text to Video, which allows you to transform a written script into an engaging, faceless YouTube video. The first step is entering your video name, which serves as the title. Below that is where you paste your script. It doesn't matter how you create the script. You can write it yourself, use ChatGPT, or generate it with any AI tool you prefer. I already have a script prepared, so I'll paste that in and share a few tips along the way. One important tip for faceless YouTube videos is to avoid long, run-on sentences. Earlier, this script contained a single long sentence, but I split it into two by using ellipses and a line break. This helps prevent overcrowding text on one frame. Shorter, punchier sentences perform much better on YouTube, and the ellipses signal to viewers that more is coming, encouraging them to keep watching. You don't need to do this for every sentence, but it's very helpful when dealing with longer ones. Ideally, your script should be clean, readable, and visually balanced. You can also use Ask AI to improve the script, choose the options you prefer, and you can shorten, lengthen, rephrase, or change the tone as needed. You can also adjust the video format here, switching to landscape, which is ideal for YouTube and other horizontal platforms. Once the script is added, you'll see several scene settings, including options like auto-highlight keywords, auto-visual selection, and creating new scenes. I usually keep these enabled and prefer creating new scenes based on sentence and line breaks, which works perfectly for YouTube-style videos. Once everything looks good, click the Generate Video button. After that, you'll be prompted to select a theme for your video. Choose the theme that best matches the style and vibe you want for your faceless YouTube content, since this controls how the text, visuals, and overall layout look throughout the video. After selecting your theme, the video will begin generating, and you'll be taken into the editor where you can start making further adjustments. Now let's walk through the editor. When you click on a specific scene, it opens for editing. You can select scenes either from the timeline or directly from the preview area. Right away, you'll notice that some visuals may not be ideal, and that's perfectly normal. These can be easily changed. Visuals are usually the most time-consuming part of creating viral YouTube videos with AI, so let's focus there. If you see a visual you don't like, click on the Visuals tab and scroll through the available options. Look for something relevant to the script and visually engaging. For example, if the scene is about drinking more water, choosing a clip that shows someone pouring or drinking water makes sense. Once you select a new visual, It replaces the old one instantly. You'll repeat this process for each scene, matching visuals as closely as possible to the on-screen text. As you go through the scenes, make sure the visuals align with the message. For instance, a scene about morning exercise works well with visuals showing someone stretching, jogging, or doing yoga. If a clip looks outdated, you can search for a fresher alternative using more specific keywords. Sometimes adjusting your search terms makes a big difference. For concepts like eating healthy, you might need to think creatively. The key is deciding how precise you want to be. Being less picky speeds up the process, while more precision improves polish and engagement potential. This same approach applies to all scenes. This part of the process typically takes the longest, but once you get used to it, you can move through scenes very quickly. Next is the audio section, which includes background music and AI voiceovers. Background music is simple to add. Just browse, preview tracks, and apply one if you like it. You can remove it at any time if you want to focus more on the voice. For voiceovers, Pictory offers both premium and standard AI voices, including multilingual options powered by 11 Labs. The premium voices generally sound more natural, but there are plenty of solid standard options that work perfectly for faceless YouTube videos. You can preview different voices, choose the one you like, and apply it to your video. If you prefer recording your own voice, that's also an option. Simply select a scene, click the microphone icon, record your narration, save it, and apply it. You can repeat this for each scene if you want full control over the narration. There's also an upload option if you use external voiceover software. You can upload pre-recorded audio files and apply them directly to your scenes. Another useful feature is branding. This allows you to upload your logo, choose brand colors, and maintain a consistent look across all your faceless YouTube videos. You can create a brand profile, add your logo, select colors, and even associate visuals, music, or voices with it. Once saved, you can apply this branding to future videos to speed up your workflow and stay consistent. Back in the editor, the Styles section lets you change the overall look of your video quickly. You can preview different styles and see how they affect text, backgrounds, and highlighted keywords. If you find one you like, you can apply it to all scenes with a single click. This is a fast way to unify the look of your AI-generated YouTube videos without manually editing each scene. There are plenty of styles available, so feel free to experiment. Text editing is straightforward. The main script at the bottom is what gets narrated by the AI voice. Any additional on-screen text can be clicked, edited, or deleted as needed. Elements add a bit of fun and flexibility, allowing you to include arrows, stickers, GIFs, or emojis. You can search for elements, add them to scenes, move them around, or remove them easily. These are optional extras, but they can help emphasize points and increase engagement on YouTube. Formatting options let you adjust orientation and resolution. When everything is finished, you can preview the video and download it. Previewing a scene lets you hear the voiceover and see how the visuals and text come together. Overall, the editor is very intuitive. Most of the effort goes into matching visuals with the script and making small refinements. After you've finished editing and are happy with your video, click the download button in the top right corner of the editor. Pictory will process your video, and once ready, it will be saved to your computer. Now that your video is finished, open YouTube and make sure you're logged into the Google account connected to your channel. Click the Create button in the top right and choose Upload a Video. Then drag your exported video file into the Upload window. While the video is uploading, you'll see fields for the title, description, and thumbnail. This is where your video gets positioned for views and monetization. For the title, you want something clear, curiosity-driven, and optimized for search. For example, if your video is about 5 daily habits for a healthier life, a strong title could be 5 daily habits that will transform your health, or Simple daily habits for a healthier, happier life. You can also use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate multiple high-click title options by pasting your script and asking it for suggestions. This makes it easier to test what will attract viewers. For the description, write a few sentences at the top explaining what your video is about and who it's for. Below that, you can include links to any products or resources you want to promote, like an affiliate link for a health app or tool. Next is the thumbnail, which is just as important as the title. Your thumbnail should be bold, simple, and readable on a small phone screen. When creating your thumbnail, you don't need to be a designer to make something that stands out. You can write a simple prompt describing the thumbnail you want, and then use AI tools to generate it. For example, you could ask ChatGPT, create a bright and vibrant YouTube thumbnail for a video titled 5 Daily Habits for a Healthier Life. Once you have this prompt, you can plug it into AI tools like Leonardo.ai, Canva AI, or even ChatGPT's image generation features to produce a professional-looking thumbnail in minutes. After that, you can add your bold text overlay in Canva or directly in the AI tool to make it fully click-worthy. This way, even beginners can quickly create thumbnails that look professional and attract more viewers without needing design skills. Scroll down and set the audience to Not Made for Kids. Then add tags to help with discoverability. For this video, good tags could include healthy habits, daily habits, healthy lifestyle, wellness tips, self-care routines, fitness tips, mental health, morning routine, life hacks, and 5 habits for better health. You can also include hashtags. After that, continue through the remaining steps and set the video to public when you're ready to publish. Once live, your video starts working for you. Over time, it can earn money through YouTube ads, affiliate links, or other products you promote. The more videos you upload, the more opportunities you create for views and income, all without showing your face or recording yourself on camera. This is why Faceless AI YouTube channels are so powerful. You can create content faster, stay consistent, and build a real online business around videos that continue generating revenue long after they're published. By combining AI video tools like Pictory with AI or Canva thumbnails, optimized titles, and well-written descriptions, even beginners can start growing a monetizable YouTube channel. If you want to start building your own income-generating YouTube channel, use the link in the description to test Pictory for free and get started today.